So I'm back with another video, and today is going to be a farm tour. The last time I made a video was like 8 months ago? 5 months ago. I just checked. And we have a new baby duck, so she's good. She or he is good. So there's the baby duck. And the duck. And here's Maverick. Here's the king. And there's his lady in the shade. And his coop, because I power washed it today, so it's nice and clean. So, coming around for my chicken coop. So, locked up my chicken. So, there's the tool. The ducks are eating it. And here is the 2 chicks of Maddox. Maddox offspring, which is good. Got the roost. And there's Arlo. And that's it. And there's Betsy. And there's Arlo. They're 7 weeks old. So, and there's an enrichment theater for the chickens. So, she's a pekin. She'll grow up to be a white duck, which is nice. She's loud. So there's Maverick and his lady. Anna is her name. There's the water, there's a horse halter. So here is an enrichment theater full of stuff. And there's another one from Animal Adventure. A lead rope. My dad's truck has had a tire nail in it, so that's not good. Here's the running shed. So there's the running shed. And we did the pond. We burnt the pond just so it looks better. And Cricket and the goats. Cricket and Big Boy are out there. So here's Jilly. See Jilly? Hey, Jilly. Jilly is shedding her winter coat. She's getting skinny. She's a dairy goat. That's why she's skinny. So Jilly and Jess, Jilly's brother's out there. So, and I'm going to show you. And there's the third pile. So, yeah, well, have a good day. Bye.